I saw this on TikTok and I never ever dreamed that this would work. So, this person said if you hold down the number 2 until it makes a noise, and then none of your numbers will make noises anymore. Nothing makes any noises. I'm going to cook something for 30 seconds. And the timer is not going to go off. It's not going to make any beeping noises when it's done. How fascinating. Countdown. 17, 8. Oh, I was going up. Oops. 11, 10, 9. I'm trying to make gravy. It's not really working out. All right, here we go. What?